Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Can't Add Gmail to Mail app in Windows 11. The first task is to enter your Gmail account by means of any browser of your choice. Click on the gear icon on the upper right edge. The gear icon will bring down a few options and you need to click on Settings. Then click on See All Settings. Upon the disclosure of the Settings page, go to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. Now you need to click on Enable IPOP for all mail, and enable IMAP. Select Save Changes. In this half, we will focus on the steps to authorize the Mail app. This section is needful with a view to using the Gmail account. Click on your account photo shown at the upward right end. Click on My Account. Move ahead with a click on Security. Come a little down until you see the Secure App Access section. Just alongside, an option of Allow the Secure Apps is visible. Toggle it to On. Give it a couple of minutes to complete the adjustments. Open the Mail app. From the bottom left, click gear symbol which refers to the settings. Click Manage Accounts. Click Accounts. Move down to the extreme bottom and select Advanced Setup. Choose Internet Email. Now, provide your account settings in individual boxes. Write Gmail as the account title and your desired name under your name section. Moving down to the incoming mail server, put down these words. Under the account type section, type IMAP4. For the outgoing mail server, ensure to write these letters. And ensure to select the 4 boxes in the end. At last, click on Sign In button. Thanks for watching this video.